Hello everyone, this is Joanne Charles of Island Girl Lifestyle, and I'm coming to you with another video. So I've done this DIY Hostess gift idea series. Now if you haven't seen part 1, 2, 3, I will leave the link below so you can see some other Hostess gift ideas. But today I'm going to be showing you how I made this DIY chocolate seashell arrangement. So here it is. I've placed the chocolate seashells into this little cute little metal bucket. And if you look closely, you can see the chocolate seashells. And I've also added some brown sugar to the bottom to mimic sand. Isn't that cute? So I just simply placed it on top of this little metal bucket. And this is great for any hostess that has a sweet tooth and that loves chocolate. So it's easy to make and easy to put together. If you're interested in seeing how I put it together, stay tuned. So to start this easy DIY tutorial, you will need a candy mold. Here I have a mold shaped like seashells. You can purchase this at Michael's or any craft store. Here I also have some white chocolate, some semi-sweet chocolate, 2 pastry bags, a wooden skewer, now to begin, you want to kind of fold over your pastry bag just to make it easier to place the chocolate pieces inside. So I chose to use semi-sweet chocolate only because I didn't really want it to be too sweet, since the white chocolate is pretty sweet. So it's a good blend of semi-sweet and sweet. This is how the chocolate chip looks like. I would recommend a good quality chocolate. This is what I had in hand, so this is what I'm using. This chocolate actually is pretty good quality. I purchased this chocolate at the Christmas tree a while back. So I'm just going to go ahead and put that aside. Then I'm going to open up the white chocolate. This is the brand I'm using. And I'm going to fold over the pastry bag so I can place the white chocolate pieces inside. This is how the white chocolate pieces look. I'm going to add a little bit more. There's no exact measurements for this DIY. You kind of have to go play it by ear. I mean, if you run out of chocolate, you can always go back and add more chocolate to the pastry bag. So I went ahead and I melted the chocolates. What I did was I did 2 sets of 30-second intervals. So I went ahead and I did that twice. And then I went ahead and I kept pressing on the bag until all the chocolate pieces were melted. So you want to continue to press down on the bag, or else the chocolate will harden. And that actually started happening to me. So you have to work fast when you're working with melted chocolate. So here's the mold. This is how it looks like. And I wanted to kind of do a two-tone effect, a marble effect. So I'm going to add both dark chocolate and white chocolate together in the molds to create a marble effect. So you want to continue to press down just to keep the chocolate from hardening, because it hardens pretty fast. So I'm just going to go ahead and add some dark chocolate. And I'm going to add some white chocolate also. And I'm going to use that wooden skewer just to kind of mix the chocolate a little. So I'm just going to go ahead and fill in the rest of the chocolate mold. Like I said, you want to work fast and you want to continue pressing down, or else the chocolate will harden and it will be difficult for the chocolate to come out of the pastry bag. And that's what happened to me. I actually had to go back and place the chocolate in the microwave for another 30 seconds just to melt, have the chocolate melted again. This is relatively easy to do. You're just dabbing some chocolate and then you're adding some white chocolate and you're just kind of using the wooden stick to swirl, and this is how it looks like. That's the top, and then you can kind of see the bottom, kind of see the it's more two-tone than marble for me. So here I'm going to show you how I put together the gift basket. So I went ahead and I found this really nice metal pail to kind of mimic a pail, a regular, I guess, beach pail. Here I have some ribbon. I thought this blue and white striped ribbon would go perfectly with the theme that I'm going. And here I have some favor bags. And to mimic sand, I'm just going to simply use some brown sugar. So now I'm going to take some of that brown sugar and place it inside of the cellophane bag, so it looks like sand. can pretty much add as much as you want. You can actually make this as a favor, like if you're having some type of party or dinner and you want to give your guests a gift. You can purchase these small pails. I believe Dollar Tree sells them, and you can actually just do the same thing, but obviously in a smaller scale. Or if you're having like a kind of beach theme party, it would be perfect. This Hostess gift is perfect for any hostess that enjoys chocolate. I'm sure they would love this type of gift. So I placed the chocolate molds in the freezer for about, I would say, 15 minutes until it hardened. And I just simply remove the chocolate. They're really easy to remove from the mold. So here are the chocolates. No one would know that you actually made these chocolates because they actually look like something you would buy from a gourmet chocolate store. Apologize for the noise. So I went ahead and I just placed the chocolates inside of the bag. Like I said, this is a really easy DIY. To do. And remember, presentation is key. So I didn't want to fill the bag too much with chocolates. I thought this would be perfect to satisfy any hostess sweet tooth. So I have a pail here, and I'm just simply going to add some tissue paper inside of the pail. And I'm just going to tie the bag with this ribbon. Tie a simple bow, and that's that. Now, if you enjoyed this tutorial, please leave me a thumbs up or leave a comment. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. I have a lot more videos coming up, and if you missed part 1, 2, and 3 of the series, definitely check out those videos. So that's the final result.